My name is Corey Stokes, and this is Tire Pod.
This is the real deal at Tire Pod.
Well, it's a small bubble. It's not a big one, right?
Are you gonna patch it or not?
Your forklift can't do that.
In this condition, I'm offering
The most customer. We know what we're doing, honest to God. Good Lord. Hey man, you're gonna sell it?
What are you hoping for, man? You thought about price? See if we're on the same solar system here?
No idea. That's like, I've never sold used tires.
Most people haven't, man. Well, they're 2024, only a couple years old, which isn't too bad. Not a super popular size. Price you had in mind at all? Just to see if we're on the same planet here?
Well, that's just it. Like, I don't want to lowball, but at the same time,
No, for sure.
I don't want to walk away with like 50 bucks.
Long story short, brother, I'm looking to double my money.
Yep.
I make some install and balance off of it.
Right.
Given the fact I'm not going to sell until October, I tap out about 175. I'm looking to sell
For the set?
I'm looking to sell for 350.
You know
You
what?
can do it yourself.
No, I'm good. I'm good with that.
It went pretty good. The customer's happy. I was happy. We're gonna at least double our money in October. We'll just put them in storage for now and bring them out October for snowfall, and people be clawing at our door for them.
What's the most ridiculous request you've ever
Or the most fucked customer.
Yeah. So inappropriate. Yeah, I don't know. Wires out of the tires. Are you gonna patch it or not? Like, I remember that whole story. Customer came here and he was on Beamer M series and he came. Yo, I need a patch on my car.
Good Lord. Well, it's a small bubble. It's not a big one, right?
I was like, let's have a look together. Guess what? I had a look. Belts was coming out of the tire. Whole tire was ripped off, and customer said, like, yo, can you please patch it? I'm short on my pocket. Really? You want me to patch it up?
This car looks brand new, man. What's going on here? Why are you selling them?
I'm moving.
You're moving. Where are you going?
PEI.
PEI.
Yeah.
Good guys out there, man. I love
I know.
Eastenders. They're fucking
Yeah.
solid people to party with.
But these are the winters.
They certainly are.
Yeah.
You gotta say it's the best time to sell
Is it? For me.
it. The size is kind of crazy. What was this off of?
Oh, this car.
Prius. Okay. Any hopes or expectations on a price? You thought about anything at
It's
all?
looking like $100 a tire.
I gotta be honest, bro. Like, I'd be inclined to offer somewhere around there. I'd realistically tap out about 175. I'm looking to sell for 350 myself. I'm looking to double my money, man. Just to
So you
be,
give me 200?
you're a fucking tough negotiator. You never rotated the tires.
Oh, you didn't?
No,
I
I
get
might do like 80, 100 bucks. Honestly, I do appreciate you coming, but know this, man. People don't want them in winter. They fucking need them.
Yeah,
And they're coming for them. It's not like selling a watch or a PlayStation or whatever. They're coming. Do you want me to give you 80 or 100 bucks for them? It's better than garbage.
I mean, I'll ask my dad if he can store them somewhere. I mean, worst case.
Okay,
yeah.
let me know. I'll be inside.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
thanks, brother. 20, 40, 60, 81. Appreciate
Thank
you.
you very
Thanks
much.
so much. Appreciate
Yeah,
it.
no
man.
problem.
Have a nice day. I knew he was gonna. That's why I couldn't walk away. Nobody wants to carry around heavy tires. Sell them to me. There's no better option. Let's make it happen. Bro, do we really need this fucking bush in my grill?
Sorry, I'm just testing some stuff right now.
Yeah, you're testing how fucking much patience I have or what? Can I get you to do me a favor? Just maybe park right here. This guy's trying to get out. He's blocked in there. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. What do we got here? What do we got here? No, we got some OE, AMG, probably CS or E-Class, Mercedes. Got a little curb rash on them. We'll check them out. I'll be honest. There's a reason why people come here with their nice cars, their nice rims. They know that they can trust us. You know what I mean? We have the best equipment, robotic machines, hunter equipment, top of the line. We don't take no shortcuts, cut no corners. You know. So you got some. They actually look original. Yeah, they are. You see the Mercedes symbol there. Here's the thing, man. Mercedes, BMW, Audi, you know, the nicer European vehicles, people are so picky with them, they gotta be perfect. You know what I mean? If these weren't rash up, I'd be talking probably a few $100, looking to double my money. In this condition, realistically, I'm offering scrap. I hate to to be that guy. It's just, it's not a clean sale. I don't have a hope of selling them until they're refinished. And secondly, this is pretty specific to a certain vehicle. You could tell that these are taller and these are shorter, which means that the back rims are wider, the front rims are smaller. It got to go on one style vehicle as well, you know what I mean? If I'm being honest, somebody probably gonna want it. My fucking hands are tied, bro. You know what I mean? I would give it a shot on Marketplace. I'm always here.
Yo,
I got a situation for you, brother.
and what's that?
Oh my god, bro, someone the washroom, bro. It stinks so bad. When I use the washroom, I can't.
I ain't cleaning that shit.
Bro,
The fuck?
you're a manager. You have to clean it.
I can tell you to clean it then. What the hell?
Actually, that's
Why would I
true,
clean
but
that?
I don't want to clean it, bro. I can't, honestly.
I ain't cleaning that shit either, buddy.
Bro.
Yo, Corey, we got a little bit of a situation. Grenad's telling me someone the bathroom.
If that toilet's all skidded up, guess what? You guys are doing paper, rock, scissors in the back to figure out who's gonna clean.
All right. Okay, run it up, bro.
No,
Run this
shit
up.
bro.
You literally just
I
heard
don't
Corey
listen
say
to
that.
Caesar, bro.
Okay, best two out of three or what?
That's what. Okay, best out of three.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Is it one more or?
No, it's okay. You got it. Have fun, bro.
What the Oh! Yo, better not be putting this shit in the video, man.
Range Rover rims.
Yep, they sure are.
These are the Jeep rims that came off my daughter's Jeep,
Okay.
the Uplander. And I got a set of these older Jeep 15-inch.
Yep.
And then I got a set of Cadillac off of SRX.
Pretty old school stuff, eh? What are you hoping for? You thought about a price? Anything in mind at all?
No, listen. You know, I came all the way here.
Yep.
I don't want to bring them back.
No, for sure.
So,
Most
you know
people
what I mean?
don't
But
once they
if
go
you-
through the bullshit.
Sorry?
Once they go through the bullshit,
Yeah.
lifted it and everything else,
Yeah,
nobody
so
wants
if you
to.
can offer me something decent, I'm up for it.
I'm gonna be straight. I mean, the rims are relatively good shape off the top.
Yeah.
There's dated so much that I wouldn't resell them personally.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's just scrap. We're not going to be able to make everybody happy. It's just a fact of the matter. You know, some people are coming from Mississauga, Brampton, Oshawa, Zimbabwe. You know, everybody's coming from a far away, and you know, some people have skewed perceptions of what they're going to get for their stuff.
Quick shit. What do you find funny about it, Doug?
Just
Well, you see, Dougie, he proved to everybody that he's all about eating and that sort of stuff. So
that was when I had a bit too much, and I was just thinking of my fiance.
hey man, so you want to sell these guys?
I do.
Why are you selling them? What's going on? You have them sitting around for a while?
Yeah,
or?
they're old tires, not much use anymore. Done. I'm hoping you can take them off our hands.
I'm gonna be honest. They're quite dated. If you were to find somebody on Facebook Marketplace, Kijiji, something like that, you might find an enthusiast willing to put them on their car, clean them up, whatever. But for me in this setting, being this kind of dated,
Honestly, I'd take the $60 just to get rid of them.
smart man. That's for you.
Perfect. That's
Appreciate
awesome.
it.
Thank
Thanks
you very much.
brother. You have a nice day.
That's great. Thank you.
Cheers. Okay, where you going, man?
Moving to the U.S. for education,
Oh, nice. What are you going to school for?
real estate.
Nice. I think there's probably a little more opportunity there than here. Yeah.
I mean, there's opportunity there as well, but it's just good school, building connections, and
Nice. Good for you, man.
might come back.
Yeah,
Canada,
that's,
but
that's super cool.
the wheels, they've only been used 2 winters.
Just give me a half hour here and I'll get this open for you. It's like they're mummified. Okay. Last year that I buy is 2022 manufacturing date. So just gonna check the date on these guys. And 2023, not bad. Pretty low grade tire, like made in China, nothing really about it. I'll cut to the chase, brother, based on what you got here. they're really out of season. Like I don't have a hope of selling them until October, as you can imagine. Long story short, because they're no name and it's like entry level, I'd offer 125 for the set. I'm looking to sell for 250. You know what I mean? You can get 250, maybe even 350, I don't know. But you don't have a hope of selling them until October. I'm literally gonna buy them today, put them in my overseas container, and store them till October before I see a return on my investment. You know what I mean? So, admittedly, you can do better. It's just bad timing. You want the money? Bring them out in October and put them on marketplace or Kijiji.
Can you do a little bit higher? Maybe like
I feel you. No, 100%. I mean, there's install and balance tax, whatever else in there. My thing is they're low grade. You know what I mean? Most of these low grade, we call them yearlies. They last generally, they're very effective for about a year, and then you kind of throw them away. So what are you selling here? You got some rims for sale. These look like they're in pretty good shape, I'll be honest. And you're selling them because they won't fit on the car?
Because I don't want it because it's too small.
Gotcha. Did you think about a price you're hoping to get for them, or
Maybe like $600.
$600? Come on. Maybe 600 pesos. I'll be honest, we're worlds apart here. My issue is this, I'll be very straight with you. When people put styled wheels or aluminum alloy wheels like this on their vehicles and want to upgrade the look, it starts at 17 inch. Most people want to go 17. 15 is more of an economical Toyota Corolla, Prius, electric EV cars, A to B, really cheap. They're just a tough go for me. I appreciate you coming by in any case. No. Are you kidding?
Yeah.
What the fuck, man? What? How come it didn't turn on?
It just stopped working. After making the green light.
The fuck, man?
These guys started coming. I don't know, I just ran out there and there's a huge smoke coming from there. I think the motor is.
Never a dull moment. Never. Really not good. We can't change no tires or work on any cars with a shop air compressor.
So
We're fucked. It's not good.